Hi guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to Design with LEESI. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. So in today's video, we are going to look at how to design something like this using just our smartphone. Alright, so without much time wasting, let us dive into today's video. Okay guys, so open up your Pixellab. When you open up your Pixellab, this is the interface you are going to see. If this is your first time coming across my channel, coming across my video, you're welcome. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. For the type of Pixellab I'm using, I'm going to link this down in the description of this video. So if you don't have it, you can go there and install it onto your phone. And if you don't know how to use Pixellab, there will be a video somewhere, a link to a video somewhere. It will also be in the description, so you can check that out, the introduction to Pixellab. You watch the video so that you know how to use the app, then come back to take this class. So guys, let's dive into today's class. So this is the area where your design will come out. Okay, anything within this area comes out when you save it as a design. Okay guys, so now for the size we are going to be using for this design is going to be a square size. So we have different sizes of square size. We have 1000 by 1000 pixel. We have 1024 by 1024 pixel, depending on the one you want to use. But for this, let's see how to set the size. Okay, so to set this size, go down to this point. Okay, just follow the illustration on the screen. Go down to this point, this icon. So when you tap on this, you can see we have image size here. Quickly tap on the image size. So for this, I'm using 1280 by 1280. Okay, this is the size I'm using here. So for you to set your size, you can quickly tap on each of the figures and it will give you access to edit it. Okay, all right, so that is the size. So let's change the background. We have to I'll change the background now to a pure white. To change background of your design, you go to this arrow, this icon, then tap on color if you want to make use of color. So for this, I'll make use of color. So for the color I'll be using, let's pick white. Okay, pick white. Then let's add a shape. Okay, to add a shape, you tap on this plus icon. So I'm going to tap on this plus icon to add a shape. But before that, let's import the image you want to use as the opacity under the shape we are going to add. So to import that image, tap on this plus icon. So when you tap on this, tap on from gallery, because you are going to pick that image from our gallery. Okay, so going to tap on my gallery so that I can pick the image I want to make use of. Okay, so the image is inside my WhatsApp images. Okay, all right, so here's where the image is. So for this, I want to make use of one of these shoe image as the background for this design. So let's pick this. All right, so let's pick this. Okay, so and we got this as the image for our got this the image. So and enlarge this image. Okay, make it bigger. Okay, make it bigger just like this. So for this image, I'll make it bigger so that it can take over the screen. So put it somewhere like this. Okay, all right, so now we are going to add a shape. So to add a shape, tap on the plus icon here. So tap on this plus icon, then tap on shape. Okay, so for this shape, just follow what I'm doing on the screen so that you know how to set gradient for your shape. So for this shape, we are going to scroll down and working here. So you are going to scroll down here. So scroll it down. So here you can see the fill color here. Okay, so we have the fill color here. So for this, I'm going to tap on gradient. For now, it's on color, so tap on gradient. When you tap on gradient, we have different gradients here. Okay, you can set your own gradient. For this, I'm going to use this gradient as as the color of the shape, okay, as the color of the shape. So if you need this color, you can just pick a color to set your gradient. This is how you set your gradient. So you tap on this plus button, so they will give you this access to set your gradient. If you have been following my channel, I've done this before. Okay guys, so you can pick any color you want to use, but pick a sharp color that matches together. Okay, so this is my gradient I'm going to be using. So make sure you scale up your shape so that it fits like this. So I'm going to tap on okay. All right, so if you can see, we are unable to see the image under through the shape over it. So now we want to reduce the opacity of the shape over the image. So to do that, select the shape. After selecting the shape, then tap on this icon, this hexagon icon. So when you tap on this, scroll down to a point where you will see opacity. Okay, so scroll down to a point where you will see opacity, and yes, this. So tap on this, reduce the opacity to around 80. Okay, when you're done, tap on the good button. All right, so guys, we want to add another shape which will carries our white shape, so that we can cover this part of that the image that we are not using. Okay, so to do that, tap on the plus sign, tap on shape. Okay, so make this bigger, so this bigger, so this should be somewhere here like this. All right, so this now covers the part of the image that we are not using. Okay, so guys, let's go to our layer panel so that we can lock our image and all the shape that which is our background. We can lock it so that we don't make mistake moving them. So to lock your any of your objects, go to the layer panel, then tap on the padlock button here to lock any object you want to lock. So for this, I'm going to lock all these objects, so I'll go back. All right, so let's move on. So again, we need to add another shape, and to do that, tap on the plus button, tap on shape. Okay, tap on shape, make it the size you want. Okay, so for this shape, you want to give it a color of this. Okay, tap on the good button. So let's shift this here. This will handle our contact information. So you just follow the way I'm working. Okay, so let's go to our layer panel again and lock that down. So we are lock that so we cannot move any of the things here. So any mistake we make, any of this image will not be shifted. Okay, that's the essence of locking your background down. Okay, you can go to the layer panel again and unlock it. Do not forget guys to hit the subscribe button and like this video, share to your friends so that this video get to designers like you. Okay, you can share it in any design community that you have to help others. Okay guys, so let's move on. So the next thing to add is our images, the images of the product. Okay, you know people sell so many things, so you cannot add all the images. So you are going to pick, let's say 4 of the images or 5 of the images and add to your design. Okay, but before we add those images, we want to create a shape so that it will house the image we are going to bring in. To create that shape, tap on the plus button here to bring in a shape. Okay, so this is the shape. So for this shape, we want to curve the corners. So to curve the corners, your eyes should be here, so that I will show you this. To curve the corners, we are going to use the radius here. Okay, so increase this slider to the 18%. Okay, so the color of the shape should be white. Okay, so this is what I needed. Okay, so this is what I needed. All right, so this is the first shape. So we are going to add a shadow and a stroke to this shape. So to do that, tap on the shape, then go to the hexagon icon here at the bottom of your screen here, then scroll down. You will see what is called stroke. Okay, you will see what is called, let's add a shadow first. So let's add a shadow. So you can see we have applied a shadow under this shape. Okay, make the shadow okay, so we have applied a shadow. For the first time you're adding a shadow, add a black shadow, then tap on this plus button, tap on this plus button, so that the shadow will not be deep. Okay, the shadow will not be that dark. So to make your shadow a light one, use this is the slider, shift the slider towards the light black here, just shift it down a little bit somewhere like this. Okay, then tap on the okay. So we have added the light shadow under our shape. Okay, tap on the good button. So now let's add a stroke over. Okay, I think you will not see that, so let's import an image inside this shape first before we add a stroke to it. All right, so to place an image inside a shape, this is what you do. You select the shape, go down to the hexagon icon, scroll down, you will see what is called texture. Okay, this is it, texture. So you are going to tap on this texture. It will take you to your phone gallery so that you will be able to pick the you'll be able to pick the image you want to use for you want to place in the shape. All right, so this will also take me to my phone gallery. Okay guys, so let's go there and pick an image that we want to use here. Okay, so guys, this is the image I want to use, any of this image. All right, so let's pick this. Okay, so the image is being selected. Now you have to tap on this good button to activate it. Okay, so you can see now it is inside the you can see it is inside the shape, but the image is showing twice. So how do we handle this problem? To handle this problem, you tap on the shape, then go down to texture again. So we have the scale here, so we use this scale to scale up this image so that it enters well into this shape. Okay, so to do that, you have to scale it up a little bit. All right, so we have a perfect image inside our shape. All right guys, so now let's take the shape here so that we can add the stroke to it. All right, so let's move on. Go tap on the select the shape, tap on the hexagon tool, then tap on stroke, scroll down to stroke. So we are going to add a stroke of 3 with a color of white as our stroke. All right, so we see what we have been able to achieve. All right, so we have this shape. So what do? We have to copy this shape 3 times again so that we can replace the images inside. Then we arrange our shape. So to do that, select the shape, then tap on copy. So we have another shape here, then tap on copy again. We have another shape here, tap on copy again. We have another shape here. Okay guys, we have another shape there. So select the first shape, go down to texture. So we are going to replace this texture now, which is the image. Okay, then tap on the gallery, that icon, it will take you to your gallery. So now let's go and pick the another image that we want to use inside that shape. So let's go now to pick that. Okay, so let's pick one of this image to use there. All right, so this is the image. So let's scale it so that it enters where. All right, so we have that. So let's work on this third image. So the same process, go to there and tap on texture, replace the texture. Okay, just replace it. That is what you do. So guys, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you get notified anytime I post a new video just like this. It will help you in your design journey. Okay, so let's pick this other image as our image there. So we scale it so that it fits the shape. So let's replace this other image again, and that will be our last image to replace. So now let's go to our gallery to pick that up. So guys, do not forget hit the subscribe button and like this video. So let's pick this other image as the fourth image. Okay, so let's scale it up. You now understand how to replace, how to add image into shape, and how to replace an image inside a shape. Okay, so we have added these 4 images. So how do we move them, or how do we resize the 4 images at the same time? Pay attention, this is what you do. So leave them the way it is arranged now. So now go over to the layer panel here, tap on the layer panel. So now pay attention to this is how you move object without merging them. Okay, so tap on this icon. So when you tap on this icon, pick the select the 4 shape. This is shape 1, shape 2, shape 3, and shape 4. So you are going to tap on this rectangle, this square icon by the side of it, to select the 4 shape. So now when you are done selecting the 4 shape, tap on this icon, the edit icon. When you tap on that, here we have the resize, we have the to move it, we have all that. So now let's resize it a little bit. So let's scale it down just like this. Okay, we are done scaling it down. So let's move it again. Repeat the same process. Select the four images, tap on that edit icon. This is the movement tool. Okay, so scale it, just move it a little bit to the right or left hand side. Okay, just like this. Okay guys, so and this is set for our design. Okay, so let's move on. So let's add the business name of the owner of the flyer. So to do that, tap on this plus button, add a text. So change the color of this text to white. Change the color of the text to white. Okay, you know how to change color of text by now. So change it to white and change the font, change it to white. Go to font, go to font. So for this, you can scroll down, you will see the font I'm using. Just scroll down. Okay, scroll down, then you will see the font I'm using here. I'm using Divine Swatch for this font. Okay, but you can use any font you like. So let's edit this text to the name of our the owner of the flyer. So the owner of this flyer is Susie's collection. So let's write Susie's first. So let's zoom out our screen so that you can see the name. So let's write this first, scale it and put it somewhere here. All right, so please, as you have seen what I'm doing, you can see that I'm maintaining an alignment here. Okay, look at them, it's aligned together. The shape, the images and the text, they are aligned together. Okay, avoid making a zigzag design. Okay, all right, so let's copy this text. We'll copy this text. So this should be the collection. So let's change this text to collection. So for this will be the collections. Okay, all capital letter, collections. Okay, let's scale this down. All right, so we have something of this nature. Okay, all right, so let's move on with our design. So the next thing is to add the contact information. So how do we do that? We copy the text we have already applied and change the font and the size. So copy this first text, take it down here. So let's zoom this out so that we can see what we are doing. Okay, all right, if you don't know how to zoom an image, you comment it down below so that in my next video I will talk about that. So if there are any other challenges you are having, comment it down below this video so that I will attend to that in my next video. Okay, all right, so let's change this text. So let's say this is the phone number of the business. This is the phone number of the business. So let's change this font to a more readable font. Okay, so for this I'm using the Gotham medium. So this should be the text. So let's place this here. So we'll copy this text so that we can write the Instagram name of this business. Okay, all right, so edit the text. So the Instagram name will now be Susie's underscore collection. Susie underscore collections. Okay, so this is now the Instagram name of the owner of this flyer. All right, so we have something like this. So let's zoom out this design so that we can place them well. Okay, so let's shift this a little here. Okay guys, so let's add the icon. So by now you should know how to import an icon and add that to your design. Okay, so to do that, you can go online, download icons, call icon, WhatsApp icons, and add that to your design. So I'm going to rush on that. So for here, you are going to add that icon here so that this video doesn't take much time. So add Instagram icon here and also add a call icon here. Okay, so those are the things you need to do now. Okay, that will be our own assignment. Okay, all right, so let's move on. So we need to add the product of the person. Okay, so to do that, let's create a difference between the title of the product and the product item itself. So tap on shape, add a shape. So let's put this here. Let's change the color of this to the color that any color in the design that we are using. So let's put this somewhere here. Okay, let's put this here. Then let's increase the radius to 100% somewhere like this. Okay, then let's add a stroke. so that it shows on the background that is onto. So let's add a stroke of white. Yes. All right, so we have something like this. So we can copy the text here and replace it, edit the content of the text. So for this text, let's make this product. Let's call this product. Okay, so this should be product. So put it inside this shape. All right, put it inside this shape. So now let's copy this text again. Copy it, bring it down here, change the color to black so that it shows on the black background. Shows on the black background. So let's replace this text with the what the person says. So let's say this one is she says dresses. Okay, tap on your enter on your keyboard to go to another line. She says bracelet, then she says beddings. Okay, she says his, she says panties, she says slippers, she says waist bead, uh, waist beads. Okay, so these are the things she says. Okay, so these are the things she says. So let's right align it. So to do that, select the text, tap on line, this line alignment. Okay, sorry, tap on spacing. So okay, sorry, tap on align, then tap on right align so that it aligns to the right hand side. Okay, then tap on line spacing. Let's increase the spacing between this. So let's increase the spacing to around 6 or 7. Okay, it is okay like this. Alright, so let's zoom out our design and see what we have done. So you can see what we have been able to achieve with this design. Okay guys, so this is the reason why I love this Pixellab, because with this Pixellab you can add stickers, a little design on our own design. So let's go and find out where we can get these stickers from. So to do that, tap on the plus button here again. So I'm on this option, you can see sticker. Okay, you can see sticker, and we have the sticker option by the right hand side here. Okay, then select stickers. Okay, when you select stickers, it's going to load up. So let's scroll down. You can see some little graphics elements, some little lines, and all that you can add to your design. So let's add this. So you can, when you select it, when you select one of them, it's going to appear up here. So you can use this handle to increase the size. So let's put this somewhere here like this. So let's change the color. You can change the color under the hexagon to change the color to white. So for this, we are going to change the color to white. Okay, all right, so then let's add another sticker again. So tap on the plus button, the same process, tap on stickers, select stickers, and scroll down to pick the sticker you want to add to your own design. So for this, I'm going to add this icon. Okay, I'm going to add this icon. This is it. So let's take it down here. So let's rotate it so that it faces this side. Okay, so let's put this down here. All right, so we have something like this. Okay guys, so let's make our image big again. So to do that, go to your layer panel like I said, select them, select the images, the 4 images, tap on the edit icon. So this is how you edit your work. So you can make this bigger just like that. Okay guys, so this is how you create a product flyer with images and all that. So guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video, and do not forget to like this video, comment down below any challenges you are having, and I will gladly handle that for you in my next video. So guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Have a nice day guys.